said I wanted one of these like months back. Probably not today. What is up, you guys? It's Cal. It's currently 5:37 p.m. on Monday. I finished up work a little while ago. If you don't know, I do work my full-time job from home, so I finished that and now I'm getting ready to film. I wanted to say thank you so much for coming back to another video after obviously like a month of me not posting. Callie says thank you too, if you can hear her barking. I definitely did not plan to not upload for that long. There's just been so much going on, and I actually filmed a video like 2 weeks ago and I just did not like the way it turned out, so I didn't end up posting it. I was just feeling very overwhelmed and I don't know, just kind of give myself a break, I guess, from doing stuff constantly. So that's kind of why I was gone. Again, I'm really sorry, but I really appreciate you coming back. And I also have a handful of little like home updates because I've been gone for so long. I feel like there's like a bunch of random little things that I've updated. In my office, there's some updates. In my kitchen, which you'll be able to see some of them better when I clean. One of them, you can kind of tell. Saw some of my old videos, my microwave broke like forever ago. My microwave just stopped. What the heck? It just like completely turned off. And for the longest time, we just didn't get a new one. Finally got a new one. Looking at my old microwave right now, we still have not moved that. I'll show you. There's the old microwave. So we still got to get rid of that, but for right now it's just in the box. Came to the office real quick because I thought this was like a fitting place to make a to-do list. Okay, here's today's to-do list. I decided today I want to break stuff up by room. So clean the kitchen, then clean the living room, then the bedroom, and then tidy up the office, and then vacuum all the floors and carpets. I have to switch my bed cover. I have a bunch of clean towels to fold, and then as I said, I have a handful of home updates that I'm really excited to share with y'all. One of them I'm looking at right now, and I'm really excited, but I'll show you it a little later. Obviously got to do an outfit of the day. I don't know why I raise my arm up like that every time I say that. Shirt is from TJ Maxx. I like how it has like the little ribbed effect kind of, and then these are the Lululemon Align joggers. These are in like a fun blue color to kind of switch it up, and then some slippers. These were from my FabFitFun box a couple of years ago, I think. All right, let's go clean. As you can see, the kitchen is disgusting. Tim is actually working evenings for a couple of weeks. So earlier today I was like, by the way babe, I'm filming a clean with me after work, so don't do any cleaning or anything, don't do the dishes. And I was in the office working and I hear him like washing a pot, and I was like, babe, what are you doing? You're supposed to not to clean. And he's like, I'm just washing a pot so I can make myself turkey. And I was like, okay, as long as you make it dirty again. And he listened to me. We have his whole thing of turkey that he didn't even get to eat before he went to work. So I'm gonna put this in a container and put that in the fridge, and then I wanna wipe down the stove because it's gross. Another lovely mess that Tim left me for the video, purposes of the video of course, is spilled cereal all over the floors. So before anything else, I'm sweeping that up so that I'm not stepping all over it once we start cleaning the kitchen. Also, if you saw one of my recent Clean With Me's, I talked about what my silverware drawer was looking like. I'll show it on the screen. Pretty embarrassing, I know, but you know, we're past it now, so it's okay. But I recently switched up my organizing method and I got these two little white baskets from the Dollar Tree. I couldn't fit four, the drawer isn't deep enough, so in the very back I just have knives and straws because I really don't use knives that much. I don't know why, but I've always found washing the sink, like scrubbing it with the soap and then rinsing it all and seeing it kind of get all clean, very satisfying. Let me know if I'm not alone in that. But then I'm just taking all of my real lemons and mixing them in with my fake ones. I love the look of lemons here on this little fruit tray, but obviously they get expensive and they go bad if you don't use them after a little while. So I really like having the fake ones out, and there are a couple of fake limes in there as well. But I do love adding lemon to my water, so of course I had to add some real ones in there. This is another exciting update. For my birthday, my mom got me a Keurig machine. I said I wanted one of these like months back, and then I kind of forgot about it, to be honest, because I would always just use my normal coffee pot. And then when my mom got it for me for my birthday, I was so excited. I really, really like this. If you want to get the little like reusable K-cups where you can just use your normal coffee, one, better for the environment, two, more cost effective than like buy these pods. But part of the present, when she gave it to me, she did get me this really big box of K-cups. She knows I like just very plain, simple coffee. So she got me a whole bunch of these Columbia medium roast little pods. Also, I recently ordered a brand new scent for the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. This is lemon verbena. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that. I don't know, I'm just really happy with how the kitchen is looking these days. And then I'm gonna like it even more though when we figure that situation out. And then since I got the Keurig, neither Tim nor I have made a pot of coffee. So I decided to store that in the closet for now. I'm sure at some point we'll want to go back and switch it up, but for right now, it's just kind of sitting there but not being used. So I'd rather have this counter a little bit more cleared off. And this is another one of those really satisfying things. Although I do know like the actual, I don't know what they're called, like the things that you put the pot on, those are really dirty. I want to scrub those, but that's going to be a little bit more of a in-depth, time-consuming process. So I didn't do that today, but I do want to do that eventually.
Kitchen is done.
Okay, this is what we're working with the living room. It's actually not that messy right now, but we have a lot of vacuum. Like there's more cleaning. Like I want to dust, vacuum, may even mop. Probably not today. These I should bring into the other room. These are a pair of the Kendall and Kylie jean shorts. I got them from TJ Maxx. They were $15. Definitely don't really like the way that they fit me. They just, I don't know, didn't really like them. So I'm gonna return those. Another thing I don't do too often is move all of the cushions off of the couch and vacuum underneath them. Let me know in the comments if this is something you do regularly in your home, and when you do, is it super crummy or do you not even eat in the living room so you don't have to worry about that? But I always find that there's a decent amount of crumbs under there. I don't know how they get there because even though we eat on the couch, it's not like food is like falling underneath, and I don't know, well I guess it is, right? Because it gets there somehow. So just vacuuming up under there. I know a lot of y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but I am already getting so excited to decorate for fall this year. I actually just recently ordered 2 new pillowcases for the pink pillows that I have on my couch. They're like a burnt orange color with like a little burlap around the edge. They're really pretty and super perfect for fall, so I'm excited to put those on my pillows and then show y'all when my fall clean and decorate video comes out. Living room is done and we'll just have to come back to vacuum later. I actually got this bin to store all of Callie's food in so I don't have to have her big bag in the kitchen. So here I am just refilling it up. And it just worked out really well that this dog food holder fits perfectly in this little opening I have in the laundry room. Okay, so obviously this is my current duvet cover, but it's just been so hot recently. And so we're gonna put the down comforter in storage for now, and then this is like a much thinner blanket that I can put my duvet cover in. Also Christmas.
So I decided to put this into one of my vacuum bags, which I love, by the way. I got them in a pack of 5 off of Amazon, so I'll have it linked in the description. But you can see how much space it saves. Like, this is a huge blanket that would pretty much take up an entire shelf, but the vacuum bag takes all the air out of it and it's much more compact and easier to store. And then I switched it out for this thinner duvet insert blanket, so it's going to be a little bit more comfortable while we sleep. Also, I'm really excited for decorating my bedroom this year for fall. I decided I wanted to switch it up, and instead of having my entire condo be like oranges and yellows and brown tones, I want my bedroom to be a more neutral color scheme. One of the main reasons is because this big picture that I have above my bed, which is obviously like a blue ocean theme, I'm not going to replace that, but I feel like that picture really sets the vibe for the room, and so if I were to throw a bunch of oranges in there, it just wouldn't go as well. So I think I want to do a more muted, toned down color scheme in here, and I've never done a more neutral color scheme for fall decor, so I'm really excited to switch it up this year and see how that turns out. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, so you're notified when my fall decorate and clean with me comes out, which will most likely be mid to late August. Also, these flowers were actually originally my mom's. I would always tell her how much I loved them when I would go over, and I'm like, hey, if you don't want them anymore, I'll take them. And she was always like, no, I love them. And then for my 26th birthday this year, she gave them to me, and look what she wrote on the bottom. I thought that was so sweet. So this is always going to be one of my absolute favorite decor pieces. One, I just love the flowers and the jar and the rope and everything, but 2, it's really special. Bedroom is complete. And also we did switch the bed covers, so that's all done. Also, I really want to add something above my makeup desk, but I feel like my room definitely does not need another mirror. I already have 2 mirrors in there. So I'm trying to decide what kind of, like, maybe a print or a fun wall decal, something like that. Let me know if you have any ideas of what I could put up above my makeup table.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
Okay, it's 7:43 and we just finished the vacuuming of all the hardwoods, but I'm supposed to meet my friend at the gym at 8 o'clock, so we're gonna have to pause. Just have to pick out an outfit. When we come back, we'll vacuum the living room carpet and the bedroom carpet. Oh shoot, and we never did the office. Okay, and we'll tidy up the office, fold the towels, and then we'll be done. Let's go to the gym.
So last night, by the time I got home and showered and ate something and was ready to start cleaning again, it was like 9:30, and so I was not about to vacuum because I do have someone below me, so that wouldn't have been too nice. So we regrouped the next day after work, and now we are finishing off where we left off. So the first thing I'm doing is vacuuming up all of the carpets.
And that's a wrap for vacuuming. Now we gotta go fold towels. Towel folding time. I do want to show y'all this really awesome towel folding hack that I like to do. So all you do is lay the towel flat, and then you take one corner, fold it over and do a triangle like this, and then take the shorter side and fold it over this way. And then you take the very end and you just start rolling, and you want to make it as tight as you possibly can. That will, one, keep it like compact, and then two, it'll just like make it stay better. Roll it all the way up, and then you're left with this. Take this little triangle, stick it in, like kind of stuff it in there, and there you go. All right, next day, the floors and carpets are all vacuumed, and we also did the towels. So the office really isn't that messy. There is a little surprise up there. There's a little hint, but I'm not gonna show you any more yet. There's another little hint right there. First, we're just gonna quickly tidy up the office, the desk, over like the chair area and everything, and then I'm gonna show you what like the new wall decor area that I'm really excited about.
When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
Last video, I'll insert a clip here. I laid out on the floor what I wanted to do for a gallery wall above my desk with a picture of my sister made of Callie, and then like just a few other pictures that I had. You can see them on the screen. When I went to put all of that on the wall, I realized that it was just a little, like there wasn't enough. Like it wasn't evened out, so I ended up grabbing a few other pieces. I'll show you what it looks like. What do you think? Also, don't mind this basket right here. This is just like a whole bunch of Tim's random things that I don't know what he wants to do with them, so I just put them in a basket to like make it look pretty. Doesn't really look pretty, but until he goes through it, that was my solution. I just feel like this gallery wall really brings the entire room together, so I'm very excited. All right, the office is done, and I showed you all of my new home updates. Absolutely love seeing a fully checked off to-do list, and now just got to enjoy the clean condo.
If you watch until this part, comment the heart emoji and whatever your favorite color of the heart emoji that they have is. I really like the yellow one and the red one. Those are probably my favorites, but comment the heart emoji below and whatever your favorite is. Again, thank y'all so much for coming back to another video after over, I think it's been about a month of me not uploading. I really appreciate it, and I'm so happy to have you back. I'm so happy to start uploading again, and I will have my entire Clean With Me playlist linked in the description box. And I think that's about all I have to say. So I love y'all, and I will see you next week in a brand new video.